Hi, and welcome to this video. My name is Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and I want to talk to you today about how to file your physical therapy claim for reimbursement through the Aflac insurance policy. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll take a look at the process. You're going to start by going to the Aflac home screen. You're going to go to the website. Let me make sure I'm on their website. There we go. Now, today is October 25th, 2022. If you're watching this into the future and things are different, the procedure should be basically the same. So across the top of the page, you'll see resources. You're going to click on that. You're going to scroll down about halfway through, and you're going to see information about filing a claim. So if you click that to get started, this will make sure you have all of the information in place that you're going to need to submit your claim without a problem. If you don't already have an account with Aflac, go ahead and create your account now. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the claims checklist. So I'm going to click Learn More. And what we can see here is there's a checklist for different kinds of claims. Since we're talking specifically about physical therapy, we're going to click on the accident claim checklist. And it's going to open this PDF. I will place a link to this PDF in the video description down below. But basically what we're going to need is the information that identifies you as the policy on the policy, which is three pieces, either policy number, policyholder's name, the policyholder's date of birth, and or the policyholder's address. So please include at least three pieces of identifying information. You're going to need to include, for example, patient's name and date of birth, patient's relationship to the policyholder. So either itself, meaning you're the patient, but you're also the policyholder, or you are the spouse of the policyholder, a child of the policyholder. You need the date and description of the injury. You need the location of the injury, the geographic location. You need the physician's name and address, the physician's phone number, and the treatment dates. Now, for a physical therapy claim, I would include the physician's name, address, phone number, but then I would also include the physical therapist's name, address, and phone number. The physician is making the referral to physical therapy, but you will also need the information from the physical therapy office. So proof of service. And this you can see down here, it says physical therapy must be performed by a licensed physical therapist. The best proof of service is what's called a CMS 1500 form. To show you what that looks like, CMS 1500 form, if you Google it, it's this classic medical form that's got the red ink background and it's got the normal claim information on it with everything, including the diagnosis code, the procedures that were billed, the dates of service, the charge amounts. Let me jump back in here. And then once you have that information, you're going to go to your Aflac account. You're going to create your account login, which you saw earlier right here on a screen like this. And you're going to follow the prompts to submit that information. Now, a couple common questions that come up when patients are looking to submit for reimbursement. Even if your health insurance has paid the full allowed amount of the claim, Aflac will still reimburse you the $25 that is allowed toward each physical therapy visit. I've got an article, and I'll share a link to that article that goes through the guidelines on what exactly the criteria is to qualify, what the accident or injury has to be, what the time frame is to complete your physical therapy visits or start physical therapy following the accident, what you need for documentation. But the main thing that you're going to need to know is you will need a referral from a physician, and the physical therapy will need to be specifically related to the injury or accident for the claim. So guys, I hope that was helpful. I know a lot of patients don't realize that they're eligible for Aflac reimbursement. That's why I wanted to record this video. And if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to post them down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.